Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to do another Toyota Highlander installation for model 2014 up to 2019. Here's the box. So for this running boards, this is specific for this vehicle. The brand is ARIES. I bought this from Amazon for $300. If you are interested, I will leave the link at the description box down below. And before I begin, if you'd like to see more of Toyota Highlander videos, please don't forget to subscribe so you'll be updated every time I upload new ones. Okay, let's start. As you can see, the items in the box are color coded, which is actually cool because you won't get confused to which parts goes where. For the parts with the green cover or plastic that goes to the driver's side, it has three major parts, two brackets, one for front and one for rear, and the running board. And obviously the parts with the clear covers are for the passenger side. And also it comes with the instruction manual together with the nuts and bolts. Here are the tools needed for this installation, and for the digital level it's optional. What I'm going to show you is the installation for the driver's side, and as for the passenger side, I already did it. So listen very carefully because the installation at the front bracket is a bit complicated than what you think. And as for the rear bracket, it is pretty straightforward. So don't worry about it. What you need to focus is at the front. At the front driver's side, remove 3 screws, 1 retainer clip, and the plug where the L bolt will be inserted. For the plug and retainer clip, use the flathead to remove it. Behind this cover, you have to remove 2 more plugs where you need to insert the small L bar. You could just remove it by hand. The hole in this L bar is threaded, so make sure when you insert this, the thread hole should line up on the other small hole where you remove the small plug. This front bracket is ready for installation. Use this washer, lock nut, and nut at the L bolt. Don't tighten it yet, just snug enough to hold the bracket. Put it straight like this and cut the cover that is blocking the holes of the bracket. use this washer, lock nut, and screw. Okay, this step is critical. The trick here is you have to use the vice grip to hold the L bar for it not to rotate when you tighten the screw. That is it for the front bracket. Now we install the rear bracket. This is the easiest part of this installation. You just have to remove this plug and insert the T-bolt. Pretty straightforward. Install the rear bracket with the setup washer, lock nut, and nut. Use 17mm deep socket. Do not fully tighten. The next step is to install the step bar, but before I do that, I just want you to know that my next installation video is how to program the remote start the simple and the easiest way. Use 13mm socket on these 4 bolts for the step bar, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. After installing the step bar, you can start to tighten the brackets beginning at the front, then to the rear. Adjust the step bar. Use a level if you have one. If you don't have one, just eyeball it. Adjust it as flat or straight as possible. Then tighten the 4 bolts that holds the bar. And that is all for today. I hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. For more Toyota Highlander and Honda Civic videos, stay tuned. Thank you.